Global markets are charging ahead even as political noise rises in the US. Wall Street is brushing it off with strong data and confident earnings. The rally is being driven by both resilience at home and innovation abroad. My name is Eniola Longe, and here's today's Zoom Out for July 17, where I help you see the bigger picture. Despite tariff threats from President Trump, the U.S. economy is flexing its strength. Retail sales topped forecasts and jobless claims dropped, signs that consumers and employers are still driving growth. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both closed at record highs, reflecting stronger investor confidence. So what's your Zoom Out takeaway? Markets are betting that economic fundamentals will outlast political uncertainty. But with an election ahead, volatility may just be on pause and not over yet. Earnings season kicked off with a mix of gains and letdowns. Netflix led the tech rally after an earnings beat, PepsiCo surged on strong demand, and United Airlines beat expectations even while trimming its full-year outlook. But not all news was positive. Abbott Laboratories discussed cautious guidance during its earnings call today, and Elevance Health lowered its full-year earnings guidance. So what's your Zoom Out takeaway? Investors are rewarding surprise wins, especially in consumer and travel sectors, but caution is creeping in beneath the surface. Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company announced record-breaking quarterly profits, driven by the escalating demand for artificial intelligence. The company, however, expressed caution regarding potential impacts from future U.S. tariffs on its revenue, although this is not expected until the fourth quarter. Meanwhile, Google and Meta are significantly investing in the development of global subsea cable infrastructure to bolster global connectivity, essentially creating the necessary physical infrastructure to power the growing AI-driven economy. So what's your Zoom Out takeaway? This underscores the broader context that the competitive landscape for AI dominance extends beyond just chip technology, emphasizing the critical role of controlling bandwidth and managing potential bottlenecks in global connectivity. Securing global connectivity and infrastructure is increasingly recognized as a vital strategic asset in the ongoing AI arms race. Uber, Lucid Group, and Nuro have teamed up to launch a new premium global robotaxi program aiming to challenge competitors like Tesla and Waymo. This strategic move emphasizes Uber's focus on automation and electric vehicles as part of its global growth strategy. The partnership involves a multi-$100 million investment from Uber in both Lucid and Nuro. Uber plans to deploy at least 20,000 Lucid Gravity SUVs equipped with Nuro's Level 4 autonomous driving software over 6 years, with a debut planned for late 2026 in the US. So what's your Zoom Out takeaway? The future of ride-hailing may increasingly involve autonomous vehicles, and this collaboration positions Uber to be a significant player in this evolving landscape. The successful implementation and scalability of this robotaxi service, however, will depend on navigating challenges related to regulation, safety, and market acceptance. So the bottom line is this: strong economic data is pushing U.S. markets higher, while corporate earnings are reinforcing momentum, especially in consumer tech and travel. But it's the global digital infrastructure and automation bets that are shaping the long game, adding volatile trade headlines, and you've got a market walking a tightrope between present gains and future risks. When the world zooms in on the noise, I zoom out so you can see the bigger picture. Which of these stories are you tracking? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.